It's 2025 and AI tools are no longer just cool gadgets. They're becoming essential assistants in our daily lives. But with hundreds of new tools popping up every month, which ones actually deliver real value? First, there's ChatGPT 4.5. It's more than just a chatbot. It's a copywriter, a planner, a coder, a mentor all rolled into one. Whether you're building a startup, writing a novel, or just trying to learn something new, this AI can help you move 10x faster. Next, the visual giants, Midjourney and DALL-E 3. These tools aren't just for artists, brands, marketers. Even teachers are using them to create stunning visuals in seconds, no designer needed. And for video, tools like Runway and SORA have changed the game. You can type a description, and they turn it into cinematic video. It's not magic, it's AI. And it's here now. But remember, tools are just tools. The real magic still comes from your ideas, your strategy, your creativity. So tell me, what's the one AI tool that's changed your life the most? Drop it in the comments below.